Also new at 5, criticism from the White House Pandemic Task Force. Our Missouri Capitol Bureau Chief Emily Manley tonight with the call from D.C. for all of us to do even more than we are right now. Emily, what'd you find out?
Well, David, federal health officials are telling Missouri that they need to order masks with enforcement, they need to stop indoor gatherings, and they need to get more aggressive when it comes to testing.
There's nothing wrong with an elected official saying, hey, I changed my mind. We've got to do something better now.
The White House Pandemic Task Force is telling Missouri it's time to slow the spread.
You know, we've got several thousands of Missourians who've lost their lives, and we continue to see an increase in these numbers of positive cases. And the Trump White House telling us that we've got to do more.
In a report sent to the state Sunday from the White House, Missouri is in the top 10 states for the highest test positivity in the country. For months, Governor Parson has left mask requirements and other mandates to the local levels. House Minority Leader Crystal Quaid says it's time for the governor to step up and make some decisions.
But that is no reason to continue to learn more information, to get insight from folks like the White House telling us what we should be doing and changing course.
The governor is not holding a weekly COVID-19 briefing this week, but his communications director said in a statement, Governor Mike Parson has led with a balanced approach since day one of this pandemic and will continue to do so. He and his administration monitor data and work closely with the Missouri Hospital Association and our panel of infectious disease doctors to monitor the statewide healthcare system and capacity. Governor Parson has been very clear and consistent about his support for local control. Every individual must take action to minimize the spread of COVID-19.
You know, I understand that we're seeing the same messaging and kind of a digging in from the governor's mansion, but there's nothing wrong with saying we've got to make something different. So it's up to the rest of us, just as the governor has said, to have some personal responsibility here. But along with that personal responsibility, we need to see leadership from the top.
Now, also in that pandemic task force report, it said that 91% of all counties here in the state of Missouri have either moderate or high levels of community transmission. Now, David, Greene County is one of the 10 top counties here in Missouri with the most number of cases.